Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome to the channel Muhammad Ali. So today we are going to start the Microsoft Word. So people who are facing a problem in using MS Word, so they can watch these videos and they can easily done their work. So today is the first day. So we will start from the home button. So just watch the lessons, and if you face any difficulty or if you have any questions, so you can comment in the comment section. So first of all, I want to tell you about what is MS Word and for what purpose we are using the MS Word. So in the private or government departments, uh, people are using Microsoft Word for making the different documents, letters, memos, and other things according to their needs and requirements. So let's start the MS Word. So viewers, this is home button, and first of all, we will start from home button. Here you can see this is font box. You can select any of font. So first of all, you must know what is font. Font is the style of writing which you are typing. Like I write here my school, so I can change the style of writing. Okay, and I can change the size too from this button. Okay, so this is by this way we can change the size and font of the text. And this is the bold button. If you want to bold the text, so you must select the text first, then click on bold, so your text will be bold. And this is italic function. If you want to use this, so you must have to select the text first and then look at. This is without italic, and when I press italic button, so text will be italic. Now this is underline section. If you click on arrow, so you have a number of uh, lines available. You can choose according to your choice. Okay. And if you want to change, minimize or maximize the size, these are two buttons. Look at. Okay. Sometimes we have to type the like formulas. If you want to type the formula of water, H2O. Okay, so you can change the position of text by this, like this. This function can be used in the, yes, chemistry subjects, or if you are typing formulas in mathematics or chemistry, so you can use this function. Okay. Okay. Now you are seeing this function change case. So change case is the function by this you can change the right sentence structure, or you can say that like this. If you select sentence case, so your text will be like first letter will be capital and rest of the letters will be small. And if you select lowercase, so all the letters of text you have selected will be non capitalized. This is uppercase, so if you select uppercase, all the letters will be capitalized. This is capitalize each word. If you want to capitalize the each first word or first letter of the word, so you must select capitalize each word. Let's see. And toggle case, this is according according to your requirement and needs, you can select this function too. Okay, so till now we have learned about the font, how to change the font, how to change the size of the text, how to bold the text, how to italic the text, how to underline the text, and how to change the structure of the sentence. Okay, by this function you can change the color of text like this. If you want colorful text background, so you can, and you can change the color according to your choice. You must have to select the text first. Okay, okay. By this you can change the color of text. Okay, and by this we just can change by this function, text highlight color. You can just change the background of the text, and by this you can change the color of the text. Okay, you will see like this text is of black color, so you will see, look at, by this you can change the color of text. Okay, okay. The next function is bullets. I will click on this arrow. Look at, you can choose of, for example, you have any sentence. This is cat, and if you want to add the bullet on start, you just select it. The text will be look like this. Then you will press the enter. So you can change the bullets according to your need. Okay, you can add the bullets as numbers. Look at, this is according to your choice. You can add as uh, alphabetical numbers or simple bullets. Okay, Next step is how to change the position of text. Like this is, I just write it. This is cat, and if you want to change the position, if you want to center the text, you just click on it. And if you want to align left, just click on this button. If you want to align the right side, so you will click on this button. And if you have a lot of text, okay, and you want to justify the text, so you will click on this. For center, you will press it. For right align, you will click on this. For left aligning, for you will press on this button. So we have done a lot of functions which are basic functions, but for new learners, these are very important basic functions. So we have done today about how to change font size, bold, italic, underline, text color, background, text color, bullets and numbers, text position, center, left aligning, right aligning. So this is all about today class. Uh, from next class, we will proceed from the uh, home home button. And if you have any query or question or confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you if you learn this functions, and if you have any other queries, so you can text us. And please like our video, subscribe our channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you.